Hey, it's Design Guy here, ready to make eye-catching ads that stand out on any feed? Let's dive in. Click the Create button, then type social media in the search box. You can also select social media from the available options. In the left side tab, find and select the Templates section. Here, you can browse through various available templates and choose one to use for your project or document. Select an option from the list. Let's choose YouTube Detail. Next, find the Template section. Click on it to view available template designs you can use for your project. This helps you quickly customize and create content. You can use any available option here, or add your own videos to create a playlist. For this example, let's select and use the video shown to demonstrate the process. First, let's see what this animation looks like. Preview the animation by clicking the play button. Observing the animation helps you understand the effect before making any changes to the timeline. You can also add your own animations, or choose from other available options. For example, let's click this animation first. This allows you to apply different effects to your elements, enhancing your project. Explore various animations to see which ones best suit your design and presentation needs. Locate the duration setting in the control panel. Click to adjust the value, then confirm your changes to save. Click the Add button, then select Video from the menu. Choose your file to upload, and it will be added to your current project automatically. Click on the Photo Elements tab in the menu, then scroll down and choose the Videos option. Add this visual animation by selecting it from the Animation panel and dragging it onto your project timeline. First, let's observe how this moves. Watch closely as the object's position changes to understand its motion before making any adjustments or changes. Trim the video clip to your desired length. Add a text box and type "Welcome to my channel." Position it where you want, then click the play button to preview your video. Click the subscribe button below to stay updated. Explore our latest videos by visiting the homepage and enable notifications to never miss a software tutorial. To add more text, click the text box or the Add Text button. A new text field will appear on your project. Click inside the box and start typing your desired content. This allows you to include additional information or labels as needed in your design. You can also add effects to your text. Click on Outline to apply an outline effect, then adjust the thickness slider to change the outline width. You can choose a color for the outline as well. Next, add a glow effect by selecting Glow and adjusting its settings to achieve your desired look. Experiment until satisfied. Increase the intensity by moving the slider to the right until satisfied. Click and drag the slider upward to increase the value to your desired amount. Next, select the Animate option to apply motion effects to your chosen object or element. Type animation into the search bar at the top of the screen. Press Enter and wait for the results to load. Browse through the available animation options to find one that fits your project. Click the buff icon to activate the speed boost for your character. Notice how the character now moves significantly faster across the map. This buff is useful for quickly traversing the area or escaping from enemies. After a few seconds, the effect will wear off. To demonstrate the change, now click the debuff icon to decrease the character's speed. You'll see that movement has become much slower. Using buffs and debuffs strategically can help you adapt to different situations during gameplay, so remember to monitor your character status and adjust accordingly. This demonstrates how buffs and debuffs directly affect your character's speed and overall performance. Play Welcome to China to preview your video. Once you're satisfied, locate the options beneath the video player. Click the Save button to store your project, ensuring your changes are secured. Next, select the Share button if you want to copy the link or send the video directly to others. Finally, to keep a local copy of your MP4 video, click the Download button. This will save the completed video file to your device for offline access and sharing. Now you know how to design eye-catching social media ads in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.